Hi, I'm Hive. No time to explain, let's study torso muscles. I want to start with proportions, our previous topic. I will give you a super fast and convenient tip for constructing the torso. Equilateral triangles. The triangle from the navel to the nipples, from the nipples to the suprasternal notch, and from there to the end of the clavicle, all have the same size. You can use the scheme while drawing. The triangles are the base of the torso. For the twisted torso, the rules stay the same, but the triangles go into perspective. The farther they are from us, the narrower they become, like railroad tracks disappearing into the distance. Now when we understand how to draw the base, we can move on to the muscles. You can see how using only triangles I can easily sketch a torso. Let's start with the pectoralis muscle. It attaches to the humerus and sits next to the deltoid. That's why when you raise your arm, it stretches. Next is the abdominal muscles. They start from the fifth rib and attach to the pubic bone. But to make drawing easier, I will show it as if they start at the edge of the rib cage. The first ABS blocks are easiest to find using the navel. Draw a horizontal line for it. Everything below that has no separate section, just a vertical line down the center. Then divide it in half again. These are the main shapes usually visible in real life. After that, I refine the sides into a sharper shape. Now let's look at the side muscles. Inside the torso are the transverse muscles. We don't see them. On top of them are the oblique muscles, which lie at an angle and weave nicely into the ABS. They start at the ribs and attach to the pelvis. In the video I mess up the pelvis, but I corrected later. I placed it too low, the iliac crest should be higher, and that's where the obliques attach. Above the obliques, like little braids, the serratus muscles weave in. In the back, the small uncovered muscle area is the latissimus dorsi, which we'll study next time. Let's break down using a photo. Pectoralis muscle attached to the humerus. Rectus abdominis from the ribs to the pubic bone. We usually see 4 blocks, but the 2 above them are technically still part of the ABS, as I mentioned earlier. Then the external oblique muscle here, and the small green one, serratus muscle. And once again,